attendance and leave management taking a toll on your HR team? Do you spend the entire day just calculating your staff's salary? Does onboarding and offboarding seems like a never-ending task? Well, you're just compromising on your HR team's productivity and employee engagement. Implementation of the right HR software can help you solve all your problems. HR management software helps with employee lifecycle management, self-service portals for the ease of your employees, employee information management. Businesses of all sizes can deploy HR and payroll software for a 360-degree workforce management from hire to retire. So, how should you select the best HR management software for your business? Integration. The HR management software must smoothly integrate with your payroll, expense management, billing and invoice platforms, and other solutions. Simple interface. Check out different HR management software on techjockey.com to express a neat and simple user interface that helps simplify the billing, invoice creation, and management processes. Customization. Study software reviews on techjockey.com to choose the right HRMS that allows you to generate customized reports and analyze employee performance and productivity. Hurry up! Book your free demo for the top HRMS software options today.